Today we are going to talk about routers backup and registers. So first of all, we should know how to make a backup file. If you want to make a backup file, then first of all we should log in your MikroTik router. Let's start. We can just log in our MikroTik router. Then if we see something configuration like queue, there is a queue, right? If we create a backup file, then the queue also will be there, right? We are going to make a backup file. First of all, we should click files, then you should click backup. Then the backup, there is some file here. If you create a backup file, then the new file will create here. Click on the backup, then also you can put a name here, test backup. Then just click backup, right? This backup already created here. Okay, if you want to keep your file in your desktop, then just you can drag and drop, just drag and drop here, then you can see your backup file is here, right? Okay, that's great. Then just we are removing the backup file from the files. Okay, now we know how to create a backup file, right? Let's log in again our MikroTik router, and then we can see these files also available in this backup file, right? Now we are going to remove the backup. We are going to remove the queue. Now we can again log in our MikroTik router. Then we can see there is no queue, right? If we restore this backup file, then we can see the queue will be available here, right? It should, because in our backup file this queue already available. Okay, so that we can now we are going to demonstrate about how to restore a file. So that first of all we should go to the files, then we can just click here restore. So before click restore, you should upload the file, right? Just go to the upload, then you can see the backup file are available here, because now we kept the file in desktop, right? So just select here, then open. Then you can see the test backup file is available here. Just you should select, then click on restore. Just click restore. Your router will reboot, then you can check the queues are come or not. Now again log in our MikroTik router. Then you can check from queue, right? Now this queue already available after restoring, right? Thank you.